My name's Carlton, and today I'll be showing you how to set up your render settings for YouTube. So first off, if you don't know how to go to the export settings, you just click on File, then press on Export, then Media. Then after that, you're gonna wanna look at this window. Then it'll show you a bunch of settings. It may be intimidating at first, but I'm going to show you how we're going to set this up. So first off, you're going to want to change the format to H.264. It's right here under the GIF. Might be different for you. So for preset, you're going to want to press on YouTube 1080p first or 4K. That's fine. So that you can have a baseline for what we're going to change. So after that, you're gonna want to tick on this box, render at maximum depth. Always click on that. Then for profile under encoding settings, you're gonna want to put that on high. For level, 4.2 is good for 1080p videos. So for bitrate settings, what I do is I put the bitrate encoding on BBR2 pass, and this is the target bitrate is actually at 16, but I always try to double it so that once YouTube compression comes in our way, you can always keep that quality. So always tick this box, use maximum render quality, and use previews. And after that, you're gonna want to type in and save this as preset. So 1080p preset. So, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.